here we are. We got a leaky sink. So it leaks from the faucet up here. So we're gonna fix that. It looks like this is also broke too. Well, it's missing the clip on there, so I might fix that too. I have an extra clip for it. That looks good otherwise, but it needs a clip. Happen to have a clip that comes with the kit, so we'll just use that. We won't worry about the rest of it. At least, let me see here. Does it have a clip? I guess it doesn't have a clip for that system. A little different, isn't it? Okay, well, maybe not. All right, so let's go ahead and get this removed. What is this? Yeah, I'm getting soaked down here. Oh, damn. Let's get this off of here. Okay, there we go. Now, loosen them up. Okay. All right. Oh, there is water up under here. That's why I'm getting soaked. I see it now. Oh, look at that. Yeah, when that sink was leaking, all that water got under the floor. It's all under the tile. Look. That's a whole nother thing there. That whole tile would have to come up. Yep, I see it. With one leaky sink will do. Ruin the whole tile setup. This old caulk off here. Get that cleaned up. All right. Okay. Get some silicone sealant here. Kind of put some silicone on the edges. That helps with seating and with waterproof, so the water doesn't get in between here and leak more down. And they need that wall caulk too, because all that water can get back there too. But I guess that could be dealt with once you deal with the floor, because it's soaked anyway. Alright, boom. Seat it down with... Okay. I'll put you a little bit of caulk on here too, just a little bead of it. Looks like it needed it. Yeah, then we'll just kind of spread that out in a minute. Yeah, we'll do it now. Here we go. Boom. Kind of just a little bit. It needed that. Feel those cracks a little bit. There. That'll just help with the overall. Just bring that around too. Okay. We'll just wipe that up a little bit. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and let's make sure that's centered, and it looks pretty centered. Okay, let's tighten them up. Tighten them up and then put the supply lines on, and we'll be in good shape. Tight. Alright. Supply lines back on. And tighten them up. And tighten them up, and then we'll use my little sink wrench to tighten them the rest of the way. Sink wrench coming up. Good and tight. These lines are a little too long for this. It makes it hard to line it up. But we'll just try to hold it like that until I tighten it up. Alright, there. Now, as for this part, let me see what we can do here. Oh God, I am getting literally soaked. All that water coming out of that thing as I lay down on it. Just jump that over there. See if we can let me see if that even lines up. It's too short, this one is. So, yeah, see, it doesn't even line up with that. Okay. Alright, let's get the supply lines back on. Supply lines back on. Make sure to check for any additional leaks that might be there. Besides the sink. I don't see anything, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright. Let's check for leaks again. Okay, no more leaks up there. That's where it was first coming from. Drain pipe. Looks good. I see some water here. I don't know where that came from. That's not even part of the drain. That's going up. That'd be dropping down if there was a leak there. Just try that up, make sure. I don't know where that could have come from, but it had to probably come from up. I don't see any other water there. I don't know what that was. Maybe it just was been there. I don't see anything else. Anything else looks good, as far as I can tell. Okay. And again, up here, nothing. Looks good. All right. Looks good. I don't see anything more from that again. I don't know what that was. Not there now. Okay, looks good. Let's see, no more leaks. Nothing around the sink drains. Nope. Looks good. Draining well. Alright, that's it. It's fixed. Fixed. Nice new little sink for you. Boom.